scuff over here.
So,
that's all exposed.
Second part of the day.
And then you're gonna blow the shit
Drop the motor off.
With the blower.
Now we on the Thunderbird right now. About to get the undercarriage together. See it's way up in the sky right now.
Got my blower. Where's my blow gun, Derek? Where's my blow gun?
Sir.
The turbo.
This thing up.
It's called the turbo. This is the one. Got both of them on. Why? You're gonna use the turbo when you're done because it fans out here, and we're literally gonna blow this shit off.
Look at Jim, y'all. Look at Jim. Don't run, Jim. Don't run. Don't run. Look at Jim. This is the funniest look. Yo, look at Jim number 2, y'all. This is really bogus.
I'm trying to be black.
Oh my God. Jeez. You know, I know they enjoy looking at me sometime in my lovely brown skin, but I guess now he gets to feel like how I feel day to day, kind of. You didn't have a hat on while you was doing these?
No.
I left
my hat at home.
He's one of the less smarter ones.
I left my hat at home.
It just
Wait. It's Aspen Day.
That's right.
Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Oh man. It's okay. We're gonna leave them alone.
I did not see that coming.
And Charlie done got a full-blown tan. He definitely looked nice and brown. This is the cheap way to get if you want the best looking tan ever, all you gotta do is come get under a rustic car and let it sprinkle all the gold in this right on you. And you get what you asked for. Oh, he just scared the shit. Why he play so much?
I put it on the stop.
Oh my goodness.
See how fast he moves? I knew he could move fast. Charlie, I knew you had it in you, son.
What?
Charlie, son. I knew you had it in you to move.
Oh, yeah.
Lawsuit crazy. And the boss, and he was on camera. Oh my God.
Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jim Speech Up. You're watching American Garage TV. You're watching American Garage TV, and today we're going to spray down the undercarriage of our 64 T-Bird Resto. This is an undercarriage coating, so despite all the water, the rain, just moisture, it's going to help protect that undercarriage to keep it rust-free. So this car is actually in exceptional shape. I mean, there was a lot of prep and cleaning. We've got it all taped off, bagged off. You know what? We've got seam seal, and we're doing this just to prevent any possible or further rust. Somebody had in the past, we don't know, but did some floorboard work, and that's fine, but they didn't really seam it all that great. There's some missing areas, and there was absolutely no undercoating. So we're going to take care of all that right now. So let's get started. All right, we're going to open up our bottle. Okay, we take a big old swig. Oh, wow. Get our eyeballs on.
Let me bring you some napkins.
Napkins? Yeah, no, a bib. A bib will do. Jeez, this thing is locked on. Here we go. So this is a two-part system. Generally, we'll just fill this up to the line, but we want to make sure we're not too under or too over because we got 3 other bottles to mix this up with. You take your mixing cup, go right up to the line, You're gonna have about 15 minutes work time right after you shake this up. Get every drop.
Hey, Bill, should I cut the fan off?
You can stop cutting the cheese is what you can do. All right. All right, hang on. Oh, shaker boy. Come here, Charlie. Oh, shaker boy, come here. Come here, shaker boy. Shake.
So what's this stuff you using?
It's a Bud Light. What's it? This is undercoating, Raptor. You could use it on beds, undercarriage. You could spray down your mud flaps if you want. Just gotta make sure everything is prepped, just so to adhere the bond.
Okay.
Anything loose, dirty, dusty, not gonna happen. And if you're going on fresh metal and you've got that EDP coating, that's that black epoxy, you're gonna need to scuff that up real well and wipe it down and then blow everything out to make sure it's all ready to go. So you good about this?
Yep.
Okay. Did you test it with the Shakeometer?
Shakeometer.
You're pretty good at that shaking, aren't you? All right, hey. Crap. There's one thing you're missing.
Teflon.
No.
So this kid.
Now, the time the clock has started. How are you going to hook that up to the airline? Aha. No, I'm serious. Go look back there for one that's already set up because we usually clean them. All right?
Did it come with that?
Chop, chop. Yeah, that's the brand new one.
Okay.
And they're all covered up right now.
So this kit comes with what exactly?
Comes with, this is a full kit, so it'll come with 4 bottles. I think they have 6.
What the
they
bottles
have
look
2.
like? Show us the bottle.
4 bottles of,
Okay.
I'm getting it, of your coating.
Okay.
Now, it's an AB mixture, and until you put in the hardener, which is basically going to activate, you mix it up real well, and then after you apply it, this thing will actually set up pretty fast, and it'll fully cure overnight.
Okay.
It's pretty fast.
Okay.
And you can build up a light coat and continue your run, fall back, do a nice thick second coat. Hell, you can even do maybe a third coat. Don't do too much, too little. Too much, you get it too thick, you crack off.
Okay.
If it's too little, then it's too thin, it's not protecting anything.
Okay.
So we typically go about 3 coats.
Okay.
So we got the scratch coat, second coat, and then a final coat. And after that, they also have a product here. I think, it's not here. They have one which is like an adhesion promotion
Okay.
where you spray, but that's generally for like plastics and stuff like that I find. Otherwise, you're ready to go to metal. Now this right here, this is another protective coating. It's just a sealer. So when it's all said and done, you can come in the next day and you can just spray a nice little coat. And it's, of course, a shaker can. So I don't believe they make that in a can so you can hook up to your gun and like a paint gun and spray that out. That'd be nice too.
Okay.
That would put out a nice thick coating. Because anytime you're using like a mixture from a can compared to a shaker can,
Yeah.
this stuff's pretty much like water-based, so to speak, compared to can mixture. I mean, if this stuff was so durable, we would be spraying our cars with it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Okay.
did you find it?
So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles.
It comes with the trigger control, the gun.
The trigger control.
And it also comes, either you're going to see them, I think this is the older one, you're going to have it's a low VOC, and then you still want to have air movement.
Okay.
And then this is the newer one. It's by the product is by U-Pole.
Okay.
It's a known product.
Okay.
What happened to the other gun?
There is no other gun. They're all brand new.
They're all.
Dang, big dog.
Okay.
You hear that? You get brand new guns for these type of jobs. Look how they do. You don't get that type of sauce just anywhere. They don't even use the same guns around
Talking
here.
about sauce again.
Oh my good.
Jeez.
This will happen when you around
He's
people.
got me thinking about barbecue right now.
Okay, maybe I need to stop talking about
You know what? Okay, go ahead and bring the hose around, Charlie. This is kind of chewed up. And again, we're on the clock, so I got to get this stuff out. And we're going to be spraying this. I'm probably going to preset this to about 35. You don't want to go too much because it'll just blow all over the place. You get this stuff all over everything and nothing's taped off, or you don't wipe it off. Once this thing dries and bonds,
It's over.
it's there.
Yeah, I
So
know.
shake well, just shoot. All right, yeah. I usually bring it down to as low as when I'm cutting. I refer to it as cutting in, like painters where they go around the edges and they start and where they want to start and finish. We're not going to be spraying, 100% of what we've got exposed because we're going to blend. That's going to tie into the frame paint.
Okay.
But this one here is suggesting 40 to 60 pounds. So yeah, I was right. We're going to start about 35 to cut in, and we'll probably bump up to about 45, maybe 50.
Okay.
Like on the long, a straight run where you have a wide open plane and you're ready to just blast and shoot. But while you're detailing, you're going to be up close and you don't want to be breathing this shit in. I should have a mask, Charlie. Is there any left?
Oh, I think there's one.
No.
Well, one thing he needs to say before we go, because we've been having a problem with this, is what, Jim? What do we need them to do? That's right.
Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell.
That's right. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Yeah, so Raptor. That's the can version. This is the actual spray version. You know what I mean? Nice stuff. This kit right here. This is the Raptor Tough Protective Coating. Advanced 2-part urethane formula. Maximum UV resistance. The color won't fade. Superior protection from rust, water, and chemicals. Ultimate toughness, scratch and abrasion resistance, 4-bottle complete kit, covers 8-foot truck bed, easy to spray or roll.
And then I'll go.
And they tougher, you understand me? Yeah, come get together, man. Come get your undercarriage right, man.
I'm doing the whole tunnel.
1964 Thunderbird.
Again, what do we say? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Please hit that bell. Really appreciate you, and thanks for tuning in to our world. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we do. Man, I'm getting high now.
Yeah, this shit's strong.
It's time for a beer, a real beer. Though.
Oh yeah, this look great. This look
Every
great.
square inch. Yeah, that's what the light's for, and I have a second pair of eyes. So in case I missed any areas. Now, when the car is down, we'll go ahead and reposition to fill in those, blend in those with a shaker can, those spots, or the lift pads.
Okay. Yeah, this is great.
Now, this is going to dry hard, but yet have some flexibility to it.
Nice.
Okay.
So almost like a dampener kind of sound a little bit.
Oh, it's a sound deadener. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that's really nice, really nice. So when you driving on the road, stuff popping up, it actually absorbs
Road
some
noise.
of that sound.
Road noise. Be able to hear your radio better. Won't hear the po-po. It's loud. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right. There y'all have it. So if you need this type of work done, you know where to come. Jim Speed Shop. Get you together. Yes, sir.
Once again, I'm Jim. Thanks again for tuning in. American Garage TV. We'll see you on the next video. Appreciate you tuning in.